guys! Welcome back to our YouTube channel. It's me, Jezreel. So for today's video, gusto ko lang i-share sa inyo ang aking top 5 Instagram filters that I use daily in my life during this quarantine. So without further ado, let's hop on into the video.
So this filter, Do You by Jurella. I like this filter kasi ini-enhance yung beauty mo, lakas makamaldita, tapos yung eyes mo parang walang tinatagong problema, and then, ayan, smile na lang muna, tapos, yan, nag-selfie pa talaga ako kasi sobrang ganda ng lightings, besh. You can find this filter by searching the IG account of Jurella, and ayun na, makikita mo na yung filter na yun. Second is this So Sweet from Sushi Ko, which is nakakaganda talaga, besh. Para kang nasa loob ng kape, yun ba? I love cream, like coffee.
It's not for me to say you.
So the third filter that I'm using is Not and Clean from Natalia Vin. Ayan, nakita ko lang din ito sa mga TikTok videos, TikTok hacks. Like search nyo siya, IG hacks from TikTok. Yun lang, ang ganda niya. May pa-blush, blush on, mga ganyan. Ayan, follow nyo na din si Natalia Vin, and marami din ata siyang filters na ginagawa. Ayan. Next filter is Soft Kira Plus Plus from Kamnoy. Ayan, na-discover ko po itong IG filter na ito kay Miss Catherine Bernardo, if I'm not mistaken. Kasi ginamit niya po ito last IG story niya, and sinave ko siya. Kaya ayun, I love this filter kasi Catherine Bernardo is using it. And yan, lakas maka-Catherine Bernardo. O, diba? Pak. O, ayan. Lakas maka-Catherine Bernardo, besh. Try nyo na. Follow nyo na din siya. And last but not the least is my very own first IG filter made by yours truly. And quarantine made me do it because I'm so bored in our house. And yeah, may milk tea siya sa gilid, and then my nickname na palaging tinatawag sa akin ng mga friends ko. Ayan. So, that's it for today's video. I hope na matry nyo din itong mga filters na ito sa Instagram account nyo. And sana ma-inspire ko kayo na gumawa ng IG filter. Thank you for watching. See you all soon.